Have you ever driven past a church and thought that could be a really cool home? You have to see our latest renovation project. Little did I know that in the early 1900s, this home used to be a church, and in 1950 it was converted back to a single-family home. So what's really cool is you could feel the history and the character of this home. Let me show you what we did to it. In thinking about the design of this kitchen, I needed to make it more functional and more of a welcoming, entertaining space. So we opened the wall a little bit to create a bigger entryway, and then created an eat-in area, which is really important in a kitchen, and then more storage with a pantry, which it lacked before. As a designer, I love bold finishes with classic elements as well. So in this kitchen, I stuck with the traditional white cabinets, but I did the gold hardware and the black stainless steel appliances to give it that pop. I believe every home needs a fantastic outdoor entertaining space, and this home needed a conversion. We converted the enclosed porch and opened it up, and now you can bring the outdoors in. This home was 4 bedrooms and only 1 bath, and that's not what homeowners are looking for. So what we did is we took out the main bath, which used to be right here, and we divided the space up, took space from a closet and a bedroom, and created 2 bathrooms, including a master suite. Let me show you what that looks like. As a designer, I love to repurpose things from the original space when I can, and in this case, I found a door, and it used to be part of the church, so I just repurposed it, created a barn door, and now it leads into the beautiful master suite. This was one of my favorite projects just because it was such a unique space, and I really love how it turned out. And in the end, we increased the value by 42%, and I got a 28% return on my investment. I can't wait for you to see the next one. Stay tuned.